Hello listener, welcome to the channel and thanks for joining me here. This is a 5-bedroom house, all bedrooms house with up for sale at Kumasi, Asokore-Mampong, and the price of it is 250,000 US dollars. So we are going to have a tour in it, and if you're interested, kindly call the number on the video and then you take it from there. All right, very beautiful and luxurious house. So that is the front view of the building. Very beautiful and nice interior also. You can't wait to see it. And right here is the compound for yourself. Now this compound can contain about 7 cars. And that is the main entrance to this house. You're gonna have lights on the walls over here. Very beautiful and nice. So before we go inside, let's have a look around here before we take you on a tour into the interior part. So right here is the back side of the building. It's about 8 feet in between this building and the wall. So right here is the back side of the building. Very beautiful house. The price is 250,000 US dollars. All right, that is the front, the back side of the building. And right here is the back of the house, and over here you have a tap for washing. All right, and this is a back exit from the kitchen. This is a back exit from the kitchen, quality door. Now right here is another back side of the building. This is the back of the house. All right, now moving on to the next thing. We are back over here on the compound. This is the front view of the building. All right, very nice building. And right here also you have a tap for washing. So now we are ready. Let's go have a look into the interior part, the most beautiful part of the store. And right here you have an entrance to the living area, and on entering you have yourself this beautiful living area. Very nice. This is the door to this living area. Very nice. All right, and this is the view for the living area. Spacious living area, lot of lights. You have 3 windows at this living area. All right, this is another view for yourself over here at the living area. So you have 2 bedrooms at the ground floor, and then at the top there you have 3 bedrooms over there. All bedrooms are en suite plus the guest washroom. So over here is an open kitchen, very spacious kitchen. Very nice and spacious kitchen. All right, so you have a heat extractor over here also. This is a sink. Right here is the cabinet. That is the heat extractor. You have your gas burner over here, and there is a fridge over here also. All right, so this is the view from here also. Right here is a visitor's washroom. So little work to be done over here. And here is a back exit from the kitchen, which I showed you earlier. Now let's start touring into the bedrooms. You have the 2 bedrooms over here at this side. One is here, and then the other is also here. And then you have very beautiful lighting over here. And on entering, this is a bedroom. So all the floors are marble floor. All right, and all the bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes. So this wardrobe is for this bedroom, but currently some of the bedrooms doesn't have a wardrobe in there, working on it. All right, and this is the washing for this particular bedroom. All right, so you have the shower over here. All right, now moving on to our second bedroom. This is our second bedroom. So all these taps will be out here. That is the air conditioning over there. And this here is the washroom for this particular bedroom. Just like the other washroom, this is the toilet seat and your mirror over here. All right. Now let's go to the top floor and look at the bedrooms over there. And you have an entrance, a stairway to the top floor over here. This is the stairway to the top floor. All right. So right here, also on my right side over here is a porch, and this is the corridor for yourself, and this right here is the porch at this side. So you're gonna have this beautiful view. All right, and that is the compound for yourself. All right, now let's have a look at the bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. Very spacious master bedroom. Then you have yourself another view from here. It has 3 windows at this master bedroom. And the master bedroom also has a wardrobe area, and this is the wardrobe area. This is a wardrobe area for the master bedroom. And right here is the washroom for this particular master bedroom. Very big and spacious washroom for the master bedroom. All right. This is a washroom for the master bedroom. That is the shower over there. All right. Now to our fourth bedroom. This is our fourth bedroom. Very spacious bedroom. Okay, so here too is a wardrobe area. This is a wardrobe area for this bedroom. So in all the bedrooms you have a washroom and a wardrobe area. That is how it is over here. Then you have the bath over here. You can see the shower. All right. And then to our last bedroom. Let's move on to our last bedroom. This is our last bedroom. So it is a 5-bedroom house up for sale at Kumasi, Asokore-Mampong. All bedrooms are en suite plus a guest washroom. It has a very big and spacious living area. The price of it is 250,000 US dollars. And so if you're interested, kindly call the number on the video and then you take it from there. So here is the washroom for this particular bedroom. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.